Marriage. What is marriage? Marriage is the promise between two people who love each other and who trust in that love, who love each other as individuals and who choose to spend the rest of their lives together. This ceremony will not create a relationship that does not already exist between you now. It is a symbol of how far you have come these past several years. No matter what challenges you face, you now face them together. And no matter how much you succeed, you now succeed together. The love between you joins you now as one. I wish you the blessing of marriage filled with love. That God would watch over you from the heavens above. That you both would share feelings, whether happy or sad. Hold one another close through good times and through bad. I wish for a marriage of sunshine, unmarred by the rain. I wish for each loss there will be a great gain.
I love you with every fiber of my being, and I vow to show that every day for the rest of our lives. I love you, baby. You are my person.
I promise to love you unconditionally for the rest of our lives. I promise to choose us every day. I promise to be true to you. I promise to give you my whole heart.